the metaphysical foundations of Islamic philosophy. Welcome to another episode in our scholarly series exploring Islamic philosophy. Today, we turn our focus to metaphysics, one of the most intriguing and intellectually challenging facets of Islamic thought. What is metaphysics? Metaphysics grapples with questions that go beyond the physical world. It delves into the underlying principles of reality, exploring concepts like existence, causality, and the nature of God. Early Islamic metaphysicians. Many Islamic philosophers engaged with these questions, often building upon or critiquing the ideas of Greek philosophers like Plato and Aristotle. The likes of Al-Kindi and Al-Farabi made pivotal contributions, but today, we focus on Avicenna, also known as Ibn Sina. Avicenna. Ibn Sina, a brief overview. Avicenna was a polymath, contributing to fields as diverse as medicine, psychology, and, of course, philosophy. He was particularly instrumental in advancing Islamic metaphysics. Avicenna's argument for the existence of God. One of Avicenna's most famous contributions is his argument for the existence of a necessary existence, or God. He postulated that while most things exist contingently, depending on other things, there must be an entity whose existence is necessary and upon which all else depends. Divine unity and transcendence. Avicenna emphasized the concept of divine unity and transcendence. For him, God was not just the creator but also the sustainer of the universe, a pure entity devoid of any multiplicity or division. Legacy of Avicenna. The ideas of Avicenna have left a lasting imprint on Islamic philosophy and were also significant in shaping Western metaphysical thought, especially during the medieval period. Further exploration. Metaphysics remains a crucial component of Islamic philosophy, giving us frameworks to understand the complexity of existence and the divine. We invite you to continue this intellectual journey with us as we explore other dimensions of Islamic thought in upcoming episodes.